Hi, STEM stars, welcome back. Imagine waking up, opening your window for a breath of fresh air, but instead you breathe in smoke, dust, and chemicals. That's the reality for millions of people around the world. Air pollution isn't just out there, it's right here, in the air we breathe every single day. Air pollution. It's the invisible enemy that's affecting our health, environment, and future. But what causes it? How does it impact us? And most importantly, what can we do to reduce it? Let's find out. What is air pollution? Air pollution occurs when harmful substances like smoke, toxic gases, chemicals, dust particles, or odors are released into the air and make it harmful for humans, animals, and plants. There are many causes of air pollution. Sometimes these causes are natural, for example, forest fires, volcanic eruptions, dust storms, and the gases released during decomposition of organic matter. But most air pollution results from human activities. When we burn fossil fuels to produce energy, they release a lot of gases into the air, as well as smoke from factories' power plants, vehicles, chemicals, airplanes. Fumes from spray cans and methane gas from landfills cause air pollution. Air pollution doesn't just make the sky look dirty, it harms everything around us. Let's see the effects of air pollution one by one. Effect on human. Air pollution causes headaches, dizziness, nasal irritation, lung diseases, and even cancer due to microplastics in the air we breathe. Another form of air pollution is smog. Pollutant gases in air combine together during sunlight and produce smog. In winter, it becomes worse. It reduces visibility that may increase the risk of accidents. Smog can cause irritation in eyes, coughing, lung diseases, asthma attack, throat infection, and lung cancer. Effects on plants. Air pollution also causes damage to vegetation. Pollutants like ozone, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides cause yellowing, dead spots on the leaves, and damage chlorophyll. Smog reduces availability of sunlight that affect the photosynthesis. Long-term exposure to air pollution can reduce crop production, affecting food supply. Ammonia, chlorine, and hydrogen sulfide are harmful to whole vegetation. Air pollution causes acid rain. Burning fossil fuels in vehicles, factories, and power plants releases sulfur oxides and nitrogen oxides into the air. These gases rise high into the atmosphere and react with water vapor, oxygen, and other chemicals, forming sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These acids mix with rain, snow, fog, or dust. Turning them acidic then falls as acid rain, damaging soil, water bodies, buildings, and plants. Air pollution affects atmosphere. When we burn fossil fuels, they release greenhouse gases into the air. This emission, such as carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and fluorinated gases, trap heat from the sun in the atmosphere, leading to a rise in global temperatures called global warming. This creates a cycle where air pollution contributes to climate change. More frequent extreme weather, such as flooding and storms, melting of glaciers on poles, rising of sea level that increases the risk of disappearing islands and coastal areas into the sea. We can all help reduce air pollution. Here's how. Use public transport or carpool. Fewer vehicles means less pollution. Switch to clean energy. Solar and wind power are pollution-free. Walk or ride a bicycle. It's healthy and eco-friendly. Avoid burning waste, recycle, compost, and dispose waste responsibly. Plant trees. They act as natural air filters. Maintain your vehicles. A well-maintained engine emits less pollution. Thanks for watching. Let's breathe cleaner, live better.